Hallelujah. Start believing you are special. And you have to fight the battle not in your own strength. Kaya nga sabi ng Bible, stand ye still and see the salvation. Manatiling naglilingkod, panuorin mo lang, magpakatapat lang. At ang Diyos na nangako, tutuparin niya ang kanyang pangako, mga kapatid.
Till every dark addiction starts to break, declaring there is hope and there is freedom. I speak Jesus.